So AZ Animation is asking, is email marketing still an effective strategy to get potential clients? Okay, now email marketing to get potential clients is quite interesting. If you're talking about email marketing to get more conversion and sales, I would say definitely yes. But if you want to use email marketing to get potential clients, then you need to have lead magnet, because you can't simply just send email to a stranger. So you have to first start with something that attracts them to come into and sign up as your email subscriber, and then you use emails to nurture them and make money. By making sales over emails and all this kind of thing. If you ask me, is email effective in selling? Generally, I would say yes, 100%, because Andrew and I have been talking about this for a long time. Andrew is my good friend. He's an email conversion specialist. We have actually did a couple of free training. Just go to my website, YouTube channel, and look for some free trainings available. We did a free training to actually share some proven strategies to get really people to buy via email. For those who know me, I send crazy a lot of emails, and I make a very good money through my email sendings. So yes, the answer is yes. Okay, so yeah, just go over to my YouTube and look for email marketing or anything email. We have a lot of videos talking about how can we use email to actually convert. It's powerful.